If you're seeing this much water under your base station, stop. Your Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra isn't just spilling, it's having a hardware heart attack. You bought a robot to save time, not to spend your morning mopping up after your mop. What is actually going on here? Here's the not-so-fun fact. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra has a water pump deep inside the base station. Over time, these pumps can crack or the seals fail. Instead of pumping water onto the mop, it's pumping it directly onto your expensive hardwood floors. It's a silent, soggy disaster happening right under your nose. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can find a spare pump online and do it myself. But let's be real. Is it worth the headache? These docks are packed with complex plumbing and delicate sensors. One wrong move, one pinched wire, or a seal that isn't 100% perfect, and you've just turned a repairable leak into a permanent paperweight. Plus, misdiagnosing the leak is the #1 way people waste money. Why risk the headache and the oops, I broke it more moment? This is where we come in. At RoboCare, we don't guess. We use professional diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact failure point and replace the pump with genuine parts. When we finish, your Roborock isn't just fixed, it's rejuvenated. We pressure test every unit to ensure that the only thing getting wet in your house is the mop. No more puddles, no more soggy sock surprises, and absolutely no more stress. We've saved hundreds of Roborock S7 MaxV Ultras from an early watery grave, and we're ready to save yours. Check out this transformation, from a leaky mess to a cleaning machine that actually works. No more puddles, no more soggy sock surprises, no more stress, just a perfectly maintained Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. Don't risk a misdiagnosis or a DIY disaster. Let RoboCare stop the leak so you can start relaxing. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.